You can see, guys, my car is in some pretty bad shape right now. Look at that. Look how dirty my car is right now. Like, it's really in bad shape, guys. Like, I'm so sad right now. Look at this car, but you can see my window right there got smashed. I was probably parked in the driveway. A tree branch fell down from the tree, smashed my window. I was unable to wash it for about a week. Because there's a hole in my windshield, allowing water to leak into my car through the windshield. So for the last couple of days, it's been raining. I had to go inside, get some like food saran wrap, tape it up in the window. Try to prevent any water from leaking in until I get the window fixed. But on that topic though, like my car has been in disrepair, so I couldn't legally drive it because my window's cracked. So I had to let it sit on the driveway for about a whole week. You see how dirty it is now. Been on the driveway for about a week. It's getting rained on, sitting there, dust, delaying some of the videos I had planned for the car because I had some videos planned with the car, but again, I can't really test the videos or film the videos because the window's been broken. But luckily though, I got the window fixed, you can see, guys, so bear with me, guys. I just got my window fixed, so I gotta go out to the roads, test some of these video ideas, see if they work, figure out how to engineer some of these things I'm about to do for my car. And you see I got the official Dodge glass in there too. I didn't cheap out, but again, for $400 when I did get the car back, it's kind of a small gripe, but when I went in my car, you can clearly see I found some trash in there. So I didn't realize I paid the Safe Flight place $400 to leave trash in my car. So I guess I paid $400 to throw their own trash away for them. I don't know, guys, but it makes a small gripe of mine. But again, I'm glad to have my car back so I can start filming again and doing crazy stuff for you guys. So if you guys do appreciate all my content I do make this channel, I would love it if you guys like, comment, subscribe, help me get my channel bigger and bigger. My giveaway is still going on. So I love you guys all so much. It's your boy Havoc, and peace.